So the virtual tour is a way to visit the Western Treatment Plant from anywhere in the world and take a real deep dive into what's happening out there. So it can show you how your sewage is treated, it can show you the expanse of the site with beautiful 360-degree photographs, and then it can show you more fun facts and videos as well. So the Western Treatment Plant treats about half of Melbourne's sewage using massive lagoons and a really natural process to clean up water into recycled water. So a highlight of the tour is always talking about poo divers. So in accessing this virtual tour, you can pull up some imagery of what that looks like and what they're doing out there in our sewage. So as well as treating sewage out at the Western Treatment Plant, it's also a site of huge biodiversity. Beautiful birds call it home at some point in the year, some coming all the way from Siberia. It borders the Werribee River, and we know that's a place of significant cultural importance to the Wadawurrung traditional owners. So my hope for the tour is that anybody who's interested in what happens after they flush their toilet, particularly in Melbourne, has a look at what's going on out at the Western Treatment Plant.